how you guys can make money with the hub and with TrafficJunky, which TrafficJunky is the big traffic source for the hub and other related adult sites. So Crakrevenue is a great way to make money online and with adult marketing, and it just has tons of adult offers you can promote. Now there's other networks like Adult Force, but Adult Force, they have more offers that are just harder to convert in a way, and their platform's not as good as Crakrevenue, but I still think people can make tons of money still with the offers there. And the truth is, you can make millions of dollars with any CPA network of which you run with. I've been able to do it with Max Bounty and Crakrevenue, for example. And how I do Max Bounty is just with free traffic. That's what I've scaled with, and then with the emails I've collected over time with my own personal email opt-in pages. Okay, and then I promote with email traffic all these different offers on Max Bounty that are related to sweepstakes and all this stuff. Okay, so I have a big cash cow channel. That's how I do that there. But regarding making money with the hub and TrafficJunky and Crakrevenue, doing direct linking to offers, why I'm able to do that is because I just have a big budget, and my budget can be all the way from 10 grand to 30 grand for the test phase. And the test phase is basically where I have around like 10 offers I've handpicked I think will do well. And a lot of times 2 out of the 10 do super well, and I scale those as big as I can go. I try to keep things consistent every month doing adult marketing, but my attention is very split because I do realize the bigger asset in my life is growing a big Cash Cow YouTube channel as big as I can ever get it, because that income stream lasts forever. Okay, so that's where most of my time goes. But this personal brand, I'd love to grow it and everything too. If you guys want to make money with the hub, it's either you're a content creator or an advertiser. So we're talking about the advertiser route. And you can advertise not just on the hub, but on all these other sites. And you could become big affiliate and media buyer, not just on TrafficJunky, but also on all these other sites such as XOClick as well. Okay, XOClick is a massive adult marketing website, and you can run ads on X videos. That's really what I think of XOClick as, is the advertising platform for X videos, but there's just so many other places you can advertise on XOClick as well. Okay, it's just crazy. And then another good one is Arrow Advertising. But I do have to say the top 2 that I use and have made the most money with is TrafficJunky plus XOClick. I do have to mention some other methods that work for adult marketing, because it's very powerful to understand these methods. I'm very experienced. I have a very big budget that's unrelatable in a lot of ways to a lot of you guys as beginners, for example, trying to make money with adult marketing and adult advertising. Why that's so hard to do is because I just have such a big budget, and how I go about my testing phase is just so high. But you could still make things work just direct linking to offers. To be honest with you, you only need like $100 to split test for the first phase. And then if things go well, you scale for another $100 to the next phase. The next phase is you run with the best ad performing based off the data you got from running your ad set. Okay. But anyway, I just want to bring up these 2 other methods that are just like insanely powerful for you guys that have a higher success rate for any form of marketing. It doesn't have to be adult marketing. It could be you running YouTube ads too, these different methods I'm about to share with you. So regarding paid ads, here we go. These 2 methods work extremely well at the highest level I can really explain. One of the best methods I'll mention now that's easy in some ways in comparison to just direct linking to an offer. Because if you're just direct linking to an offer, you can only get so high of profitability, right? You can only get 2x to 3x at the highest if you're direct linking to an offer. But these other 2 methods I'm going to share with you have a way higher chance. So the first method I want to share with you is you make a tripwire funnel. And a tripwire funnel I've had massive success with over the years with, okay? Especially when I first got started with all of marketing, everything that I've done and this whole career. And basically how it works is you have a no-brainer offer on the front end, and it's a funnel. You use ClickFunnels to do this, okay, is what I recommend. And you make a sales page of just a digital product related to the offers of which you want to promote. So let's say it's adult related. You make a product teaching how to pick up chicks or how to talk to girls or stuff like that, okay? You can find PLR products, private label right products, that you can basically have rights to and resell. And so you basically sell these as if they're super valuable, because some are, some aren't, okay? And I recommend combine as much as you can to give people, so you over deliver. But anyway, you want to make your tripwire priced somewhere around like less than $10, okay? Even less is better, maybe around $1, okay? And then you have an order bump, okay? And an order bump is just like people click a box and they just naturally do it. There's so much money to be made there, but what I recommend is just charge like $9.99, okay? Around $10 for the order bump. And you're gonna have like over 50% of people pressing that, okay? So instantly you're making money on your end. And this is great for cash flow reasons, because with Stripe is a payment processor you connect to ClickFunnels. you get paid within 1 to 2 days to 3 days. Okay. And so your cash flow becomes insanely great with this method here I'm sharing with you. And with affiliate marketing, with CPA marketing, you get paid every 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. And so for cash flow reasons, this tripwire method is very powerful for paid ads, especially for beginners and advanced. Okay. Setting it all up requires some skill level, okay, because most people don't know what they're doing, which is fine, you know, you learn over time, but there are templates in place for you to do this over on ClickFunnels, okay? Now, I recommend ClickFunnels, and if you don't have ClickFunnels yet, go get it. Go to my website, benjaminfairborn.com, and go find the link to go to ClickFunnels through my link so you can support the channel. Although I don't need the money, but I figure I might as well promote it, okay? Because I'm promoting it, might as well get some kickback for it. But anyway, after you have your tripwire no-brainer offer and then an order bump, you need to have some upsells. So I recommend have at least like 1 to 3 upsells. If you have anything over that, people get pissed off, you know, because they're clicking through so many upsells. You make so much money from doing a funnel like this because on average, how much people spend, you know, money-wise with you through your funnel is pretty freaking high compared to if you just had one product you're selling for $1 and you missed out on all the upsells, all the order bump sales you could get. And so this is how this funnel works. And I mean, it's successful as heck. I mean, I don't know of a better way to crush it with cold traffic, paid marketing than this. But there's other things I could talk about, which I'm willing to share and talk about right now. But such as if you have a big budget, let's say $1 million budget, let's just say that you build your funnel for whatever niche you pick. And I'm not even done talking about how the funnel goes and how long this funnel is and all the different ways you can make money with it. But we'll get to that. But let's say you have $1 million budget. You spend $1 million on ads to get customers for this funnel you have. Okay. Let's say on average it costs you $10 per sale at scale. And so you end up getting, I don't know how many that is, 1,000, let me think, $10, $1 million. I think that would be, you get 100,000 sales, man. So you get 100,000 customers. That's a big deal because customers are more valuable than just getting emails. And so you have actual buyer emails. These people you can remarket to again and sell them something else again. It's very powerful. But you just spent $1 million. You got 100,000 customers at an average order value, let's say, of $9. And so you make back $900,000. You're going to spend all that $900,000 again to get even more customers. And it keeps going. Keep reinvesting everything that you even started with and then got back forever until it dies down where you've scaled tremendously high. And so you can do a budget of $10,000 and reinvest forever into paid marketing to grow a massive customer base or email list or both and just have a huge business. And this is how businesses are formed. This is how affiliate marketing should be done at the highest level, guys. Now, I haven't done something as crazy as that yet in my journey because I mean, I make tons of money just doing like YouTube, making videos there and growing that, okay? I want to do something like that, okay? This is a longer term approach strategy because it has more success. So it's like a commitment. You have to decide what niche you're going to do, how are you going to do it, how you're going to make a really, really great funnel and offers for people. And you want to over deliver so you don't get any chargebacks or any issues, okay? But that method works so flippin' well with paid ads and cold traffic and even warm traffic or hot traffic, people who already know who you are or your business is. That's what warm and hot traffic is. But cold traffic means people have never heard of you before. And that's where the big money is. And so if you make a funnel that's able to convert to cold traffic, you win big time. And that's what that's all about. So other elements to this funnel, the tripwire funnel I'm talking about, is in the back end, you would have a bunch of affiliate offers relevant to the offers you're selling inside the funnel. So if it's dating related offers, you're going to promote a bunch of dating and adult offers if you want to in the back end of that tripwire funnel. And this will work super well for adult marketing. I mean, super well. And then the other method to mention to you guys for the hub and TrafficJunky and Crakrevenue method overall, and this is a little thinking outside the box. Okay, let's be honest. And this has more steps to it, but this is something I'm willing to share with you guys, even though it's something that's like super top secret. Like this is something I really don't want to like share at a high level. That's why it's at the end of this video, but I'll share it with you guys. And what it is essentially you make your own opt-in offer. This is not a tripwire funnel or anything. This is like you make your own opt-in offer. You can use ClickFunnels, connect with Aweber if you choose to, or Actionetics with ClickFunnels, or whatever you want to choose for your email collecting software. But the trick is here, make your own opt-in page. Let's say it's a sweepstake, okay? So you're giving away something in exchange for emails, okay? It could be real or fake giveaway, okay? Whatever you want to do, whatever you think is ethical for you, okay? And You could look at all these different sweepstake offers that are out there, okay, like giving away iPhones, giving away cars, giving away money, giving away gift cards, okay? And you do this, and then after people opt in, they're instantly redirected and sent to an offer that's similar to the replica landing page opt-in that you made, if you want to. Or you can just send them to another sweepstake offer that's somewhat different, but still another sweepstake offer. And a percentage of people will convert because there's a cognitive bias in our decision making for psychology, which is if we're going to commit and do something, we're more likely to commit and stay consistent with that commitment. Okay, it's called commitment consistency bias. And so it's very, very powerful. People opt into your opt-in and then they're sent to another opt-in offer and they opt in there. Now, here's the trick to all of this, and this is what makes it so powerful and guaranteed profitability at the highest level, is you need to reach out to clients, people who will buy leads from you. You tell them the type of traffic you're getting. Let's say you're only getting traffic from Canada, just people from Canada, and it's really good traffic you're getting. Let's say you could promote with adult marketing. Let's say you're getting traffic from Facebook or YouTube, okay, and you're running ads like that to get all your emails and build your email list. You get like 10 clients, let's say, and each of them on average is paying you 50 cents per email you collect, and you sell these emails that you're getting to them, okay, and you send it to them in a CSV file, or you get advanced with it and you have it all automatically sent into their what's a CRM, okay, a sales CRM. And you want these clients of yours to actually need the leads of which you're sending to them, okay? And let's say it's Canada, like I was saying, that's the traffic you're getting. You're gonna sign up for a CPA network, let's say Max Bounty, and you're gonna sort by, if you go and search and sort by, you can sort by all the offers that want Canada traffic. Then you go and click to their landing pages, and then you go to find them, to contact them. Then you reach out and you say, hey, I'm building a massive list for Canada traffic. If you're interested in buying leads for a certain amount of money, you just say, how much are you want to basically have them say first, okay? Because they might say, oh, I want $2 per lead. And so that's crazy. And so you can negotiate from there. You just say, how much are you willing to pay per lead? I'm getting really quality traffic, and I'm willing to negotiate. And you just send a email template to all these people, and you let them know you're a very good affiliate, and that's how you do it. Let's say you have freaking 10 people, an average of freaking 50 cents per lead. That adds up to be like $5, okay? And if you look at it from another approach here, it's super easy. So look at it from this angle. It's super duper easy to collect emails. Okay, how much does it cost on average? And how easy is it for people? They're not paying for anything, so it's super easy. And it's a giveaway you're doing, okay? So people opt in like crazy, guys. It'll cost you probably at scale $5, for example, maybe $3 basically per lead at scale, with paid ads, with whatever platform you choose, but they're all different every time. But Facebook and YouTube, they have AIs, basically the pixels, where they're able to use artificial intelligence to find new conversions for you, okay, that will convert. And so it's very cost effective and powerful. It's different with adult marketing because you can kind of put pixels and retargeting, but it's not as advanced as Facebook and YouTube, okay? But you get so much more brand awareness and stuff with adult marketing because it's so cheap and you get way more impressions per click that you end up getting. So it's like crazy brand awareness you end up getting. So if you go that route, it's crazy. My point is, guys, you're running paid ads and you're instantly making money, way more money than if you're promoting one offer, because you have a bunch of these clients you're basically sending leads to that are really real and good leads. And they're gonna hopefully be profitable and make money from these leads. Plus, they're getting these great leads for so cheap anyway. And all this adds up for you where you're making $5. And the more clients you get, the better. And the more they're paying you per lead, the better. Because it can end up being, you're earning $10 per lead on average because of all your clients. And then this is where things get really crazy, guys. You're growing your own email list, right? You're growing a big email list at the same time that you can email blast to your list a new offer whenever you want, okay, and promote to your list. But not only that, you have an automated sequence in place to promote a bunch of affiliate offers too. And you have that instant offer that you're sending people to right after they opt in to your list. So you're monetizing and making money in all these different ways. And there's another way, is as your email list grows to, let's say, millions of people inside your email list, you can reach out to new clients in the future too and just be like, hey, I have this many great emails inside of Canada and I'm willing to sell you my whole email list for a certain amount of money. You ask, how much are you willing to pay per lead? And they're like, okay, we'll pay 20 cents per lead. You all of a sudden sell a huge email list, you get a huge payday is my point. All of a sudden, because you've grown this massive email list over time through paid marketing. And I don't know of a more lucrative business other than that, but There is a way more lucrative business, which is a long-term YouTube cash cow channel, because it makes money so easily from AdSense revenue and long-term branding and offers you can promote. But if you want to go the paid ad route, that's one of the most powerful ways. It has a barrier to entry because you have to reach out to clients. But if you can do it, this is one of the most powerful ways to make money online for sure. I just shared you guys gold there. If you want to get me one-on-one as a mentorship or help, reach out to me over email. And I have my email in the description of this YouTube video you're probably watching right now. You can reach out to me there or on Instagram. Reach out and we can make things happen if you have a big enough budget. I will help you do this.